NGN is a replacement for the present telephony network, and more significantly, a fusion of the public telephone network and the global data network. The conventional telephony network performs call setup only once, although this means wasting bandwidth even when no one was speaking. This is the so-called circuit-switched paradigm. By the time the internet was being designed, bandwidth was more expensive than computation, so the internet protocol forwards each packet separately, without any setup stage, the so-called connectionless packet-switched paradigm.
So the difference between the telephone network and an NGN is that an NGN is a packet switch rather than a circuit switch network.
That is certainly an important distinction, but not the only one.
So an NGN is based on a simple packet switch core with intelligence at the edges.
And hence is similar to the internet. On the other hand, NGNs are designed to handle real-time traffic, such as high-quality voice,
thus satisfying voice and data needs of end users while keeping operational expenses under control.
As this chart shows, internet traffic is growing by 40% annually. On the basis of the current trends, it's expected to be 1,000 times larger than what it is today.
First, using NGN, voice quality of service is improved. Second, this network convergence allows operator to save money by maintaining only one network platform. Third, provide network scalability. Simple, inexpensive end user terminal. Fourth, pave the way to modern micro-marketing of the product and services.
Reduce cost and increase the speed of communication over the internet protocol. Genuine choice is an alternative to other form of communication, since the calls over the NGN can be established through a PC soft phone or a normal telephone. Enhanced services throughput, since no dedicated line is needed to keep you in the active communication.
We are integrating IP networks with conventional fixed-line communication networks to launch a next-generation network that will support multimedia and mobile networking in a true sense. The new generation network has a completely new network architecture slated for implementation in 2015. One of the key features of this network is its high speed. Speeds greater than 1 petabyte will be achieved. It can support up to 100 billion terminals with the ability to connect to virtually any device. It will enable tracing of malicious activities to prevent DOS attacks and spam emails. Power consumption will be less than 1,000th of that for the existing networks.
UoB is a method for taking analog audio signals just like the kind you hear when you talk on the phone, converts them into digital data and transmit over the internet. So how is this useful? UoB can use standard internet connection in a way to place free phone calls. The practical benefit of this is by using internet to make free phone calls by passing the phone company and its charges.
BED's VoIP system BVS is a product based on NGN technology. It seeks to increase the services and solutions of the university to its staff and students. It seeks to the implementation of voice communication system using VoIP technology. On the objectives, it's meant to ensure real-time voice communication via the university's network. This means that staff and students are able to communicate speedily and fast. It enhances the university's overall quality of service to its staff and students. On the advantage, we have genuine choice and alternative to other forms of communication. reduced costs and time of communication, solves the problem inherent in electronic mail, and finally technological upgrade. In conclusions, with BVS, communication will be improved conveniently, meeting real-time voice solutions in a very cost-effective technology. It will boost the university's popularity and upgrade the students and staff, and also lay a foundation for the deployment of subsequent NGN technologies to the school.